Okay, bestie, so I found another triggering Am I the A-hole story from Reddit, but this one has me confused because according to the Reddit community, they say that this OP isn't the a-hole. But I need you guys to listen to the end and help me decide who's the real a-hole in this situation. Am I the a-hole for uninviting 25 members of my family to my wedding 6 weeks before the date? I have had this Halloween wedding planned for 2 years. The venue I wanted has a wait list. All of a sudden, my mom and grandma decided that the wedding was satanic and they wanted me to make last minute changes. I told my mom and my grandmother a firm no. 2 years my family has known about this, and because I told them no, half of my mom's side of the family thought that it would be cute to say that they aren't coming in a random ass power struggle. I told them fine and canceled everyone's invitation who complained or backed my mom or grandmother on this. One of my sisters was acting like she was going to step out of the bridesmaid duty, so I immediately replaced her. It was about 25 people that decided to act stupid at less than 6 weeks to the date. So I decided to send out uninvited invitations. Then I updated the QR codes and told the venue to not let anybody in who doesn't have the new one. My aunt, who was one of the uninvited, told me that people are allowed to disagree with me, and that doesn't mean that I can pull an invitation from a wedding that they've already made plans to attend. I told my aunt that they had 2 years for complaints, but saying that you're not going at 6 weeks before my wedding is absolute bullcrap. And honestly, everyone just f***ed around and found out that I will not be bullied by my family over this. So am I the a-hole? I mean, I get where the Reddit community is coming from saying that she's not the a-hole because obviously it's her wedding. But for me, she low-key seems like a bridezilla for uninviting people just for disagreeing with her. If they were still planning on coming to the wedding, then obviously they didn't see the theme as a problem. So what do you guys think? Who's the a-hole, her or the family? Also, let me know what you think about my latest resin creation and drop some red and tulip emojis in the comments to show me that you're a true supporter. All right, besties, peace.